All right, my friends, welcome to beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, as I'm on my way to Trader Joe's. My name is Kevin Jubbal. You may know me from Med School Insiders or Kevin Jubbal MD, my two other YouTube channels. And what's this channel about? This channel is Jubbal and Cars, and as you might guess, it's about cars. So cars are my oldest lifelong obsession, my earliest memories, 3 years old. And how has that evolved? Why is it relevant today? Well, first of all, I use cars to escape from stress, right? And whether that was studying back when I was in graduate school or even just to this day, if I want to escape the world and my worldly problems, I read some car reviews, watch some car videos, drive my car on some twisties. And more importantly though, this channel is going to be about reviewing the driving dynamics of various cars. I'm not going to do a whole buyer's guide. There's other channels that do that. I'm going to be covering the driving dynamics, the driving enjoyment of various vehicles, and the journey of improving my driving skill, whether through sim racing or through, primarily track days actually are the most effective tool for that. So this style, as you may notice, is POV. Huge shout out to the Topher and Tedward who pioneered this. At least I think they pioneered this. Those are the guys that I first came across doing POV car videos. And they do a damn good job. So I'm blatantly ripping off their idea because I spend too much time on my other two YouTube channels. I don't have time for any production quality here, so I'm just going to strap a GoPro to my head, say some gibberish, and then upload it to YouTube. So if you find that useful, if you find that fun, then welcome. I'm glad to have you here, and it's going to be a fun journey. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, you know where to leave them. Much love, and I'll see you guys in that next one. Oh, one last thing I forgot to say. A big reason why I'm starting this YouTube channel is because I have met so many awesome people through the car community. And I think YouTube is a very powerful tool for leverage so that I can meet more cool people. So if you're ever in Vegas, if you're a car nerd, you're gonna go to the car meets, let me know. Maybe we can meet up. I've met a lot of my closest friends now through this passion, through this shared hobby and interest of cars. So that's actually one of the main reasons I'm starting this channel, because through YouTube, you find like-minded people. Through any social media, you find like-minded people. And I'm excited. I'm excited to see who joins me on this journey. So take care, guys.